How to change your Ubisoft email. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your Ubisoft email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically change your Ubisoft email, you just have to go to ubisoft.com and log into your account. Then just make sure to basically tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then scroll down over here and you'll find an option where it says the account management. So you can just tap on the account management option, and when you tap on the account management option, over here you will find this option that is account information. So just go to the account information button. Now under private information, you'll find an option called edit. So just make sure to tap on the edit button. Then you'll find the option called change. So tap on the change option here. And when you tap on the change button, over there you'll find change your email address, and here you'll find the send option. So all you have to do is send the email to your current email address, and then you'll be able to verify, and then from there you'll be able to change your Ubisoft email. And that's all it takes to change the Ubisoft email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.